constitute more than 90% of the total composites in the Can I have it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can skip, you can go to the next.
He is doing it, sir.
Then somebody can
Yes, sir.
operate. Shall I can operate or shall I can operate. There is no remote control. No, it's all right. Okay. So, if you look at this in the 20th century, one of the top 10 engineering achievements adjudged by American Academy of Engineering, advanced composites comes under. So that is the importance. These are the achievements of the 20th century. Along other things, along moon landing or lasers or CAD-CAM. CAD-CAM is one, sir, your area. So this is also one of the top achievements. Next. So what we talk about volume matrix composite. Sir, how much time I have, sir? What we talk about polymer matrix composite, we consists of basically reinforcements which are strong and stiff in a continuous form. Maybe discontinuous, but we talk about structurally continuous filaments, continuous form, fibers like fibers, whiskers, flakes and particles, and matrices being polymers, ceramic, metal, carbon. They constitute together two different phases a composite. This is a general statement made by everyone. I just repeated this. They are solid materials. When I come to composites, as I told you, I talk about polymer composite continuous pattern. Two different phases in distinct. One is continuous phase, other is discontinuous phase. So the physical properties are different, but the composite